In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect purchase orders using Jotform, a comprehensive tool that's both user-friendly and versatile. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large-scale operation, Jotform simplifies the purchase order process and helps you streamline your order collection seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. This handy platform makes organizing and collecting purchase orders a breeze. Once you're on the Jotform website, you'll need to log in if you already have an account. If you don't, signing up is a quick and easy process that sets you up to fully utilize the suite of tools that Jotform offers. With access to your Jotform account, the next step is to create a new form. This can be done from scratch if you have a specific layout in mind, or you can leverage one of the many templates available to save time and get a head start. Templates can be especially helpful in ensuring that all necessary information is captured right from the start. Now it's time to build out your form with all the fields you require. Make sure to include details for the items being purchased, like individual quantities and prices. It's essential to collect shipping information alongside contact details to ensure smooth communication and delivery processes. From there, you'll want to head over to the Add Form Element menu and look for the Payments tab. Within this section, you'll find the Purchase Order element, which you'll need to add to your form. If you plan on collecting payment at a later time, Jotform provides a useful feature. You can switch the payment gateway to Purchase Order instead of using a direct payment processor, allowing you to collect order details seamlessly and arrange payments separately. It's also crucial to furnish your form with clear instructions on how customers should submit their payments. This could include options like mailing a check or making a bank transfer. Clear guidance minimizes confusion and facilitates a more efficient order processing experience. If generating invoices automatically is something that would benefit your operations, Jotform allows you to enable an invoice feature. This function is perfect for businesses that need to maintain comprehensive records and provide organized documentation for their clients. Integration is key to efficiency, and Jotform doesn't disappoint here. You have the capability to integrate with a variety of payment gateways and apps, enhancing and streamlining your workflow even further. Lastly, after you've customized your form to perfection, click the Publish button. You'll then receive a shareable link or an embed code, which you can distribute to your clients, making it easy for them to access your form. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now ready to effectively and efficiently collect purchase orders using Jotform. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more useful tips and tutorials.